Hello and welcome to another class of GSM band. So today in this class we are going to discuss about bands. As in the previous class we have discussed about 900 megahertz band. So we have calculated the total number of ARFCN in 900 megahertz band. So we have the total number of ARFCN for 900 megahertz band as 124. So today we are going to discuss about 1800 megahertz band. Then we will discuss about 1900 megahertz band. So let's start with the 1800 megahertz band. Now as this is again FDD, that means frequency division duplex mode, it is being divided as per FDD. So it is divided from 1710 to 1785, and for downlink we have 1805 to 1880. Now this set of frequencies for uplink and these set of frequencies for downlink. Now we need to calculate the total spacing. So we have channel spacing, which is equal to 1805 to 1785. Now here comes the number as so this is 20 megahertz. So we call it as this 20 megahertz will be my channel spacing. Similarly, we can calculate duplex spacing. Duplex spacing is basically the difference between the first downlink and the first uplink, 1805 to 1710, which is 95 megahertz. This is our duplex spacing. Channel spacing and duplex spacing. Now let's calculate total number of ARFCN in this. So ARFCN is this difference, that means we need to calculate the total difference in this. So we have 75, we need to multiply by 5 minus of 1, which comes to 374. That means the total number of ARFCN in is 3. Now we can see that 900 megahertz band has lesser capacity. So that's why we need to jump to another band, which is 1800 megahertz band. Now we have next as 1900 megahertz. Now as per its division, it is from 1850, and we have from 1910, and then we have 1980 to 1990. So similarly we can see the channel spacing in which is same as 20 megahertz. Now we can say duplex spacing, we can calculate the same. Other than we have ARFCN, we have a difference of 60, 300 minus 1 to 99. So here in this case we have total ARFCN as 299. So if our 1800 megahertz capacity is fulfilled, then we need to go to the 1900 megahertz band. Now for example, a company A has purchased 20 ARFCN. Now as per the cell, for example we have a cell. So this cell is divided into 3 sectors, alpha, beta and gamma. So frequency is required by this also, frequency is required by this, and similarly by this also. So if I have ARFCN, so it will be over till F20, because I have total number of only 20 ARFCN. So for this, in order to make frequency usage mode, we have a concept of frequency reuse. That after certain distance, where those frequencies will not interfere with one another, we can reuse the frequency again. So we call that concept as frequency reuse concept. Thank you so much.